This is my first ever unicycle. Let's open it up and then I'll tell you more about it. This is like a whole new world for me. Ooh. Okay. Well, this is the Inmotion V8S. It has just come on the market a few weeks ago. I bought this from One Ride. They helped me so much in figuring out which unicycle would be best for beginners because I don't have a clue how to ride one of these. I tried one out recently on a group ride on the Gotway M103 and I did kind of like it and it made me very curious. Don't worry, I still love electric scooters, but these have definitely caught my attention. Let's get this open and have a better look at it. By the way, if you end up wanting a electric unicycle, I have a code for you. It's Glen10 and you get 10% off until the end of the year on Inmotion electric unicycles. That is linked right below. It's, you know, you can't go wrong. 10% is absolutely amazing. This is just a thank you for your purchase. And it also has information on there. You get some cool stickers and stuff like that. That's really nice. And one of the other good things about this company was that before they actually sent this to me, they sent me like a video and they tested it and done everything else, which is brilliant because not a lot of companies would send you a video prior, testing it, make sure it's charging, all that type of stuff. It's brilliant to have that. What do we have here? We have some padding to just slip them on, which is really nice. We have a charger, 2-pin, as always. I'm just going to give you a closer look at what this looks like packed. This is obviously our charging brick. Wow, it's so cool. You also, of course, I'm a beginner, so I'm going to need one of these protective covers. This is it here. Wow, it's so cool. Let's have a look. Top speed on this, 35 kilometers an hour. It's not that heavy. Just take a look at it for 1 second. It's pretty cool. It's where you put your feet. It looks so slick. This is actually a guitar stand that I have this sitting on, which is what some people just recommended. This is the on button. Let's turn it on. Whoa, it's like it came to life there. Oh, that's kind of freaky. I cannot wait to try how to learn one of these. People say they're kind of difficult to learn at the start, but I've been watching so many videos lately on how to ride one of these. Ooh. You also have a really good app for them, for the Inmotion. It's supposed to be one of the better apps out there for the EUCs. I can tell you right now, I am so excited to try this. I really am. This is going to be absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to leave it there. The next video will be me learning how to go on one of these. I'm sure you're going to be laughing at me because I don't have a clue at all. Listen guys, take it easy and I'll talk to you in the next video.